Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix your ask your parental problem to join this experience you need parent permission in Roblox. So if you face this kind of a problem that they are telling you are not allowed to access that game, then there is a couple of options or ways we have to fix that problem. That you just need to be change your birth date, like before 2020 like if you are under 13, then you are sometimes you will face some restrictions in here. So you just need to be go to the profile and change your birth date, like click on this gear icon and then click to the setting. Once you come over here, from that place you just need to be change your birth date. Like I provide my birth date 2003, it is applicable, so I can easily access any of them game. So if you have any issue, then you can just change the budget and then try to track it again. If it is fixed, then congratulations, but if not, then you can go to the privacy content and just click the content maturity, and from that place you will make it as possible as restricted or anything. As you can see, we already get this one, only adult age 17 or older have access to restricted experiences. So you just need to select this one all the way. In this way you can fix the problem. If you think this video was helpful and knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.